My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site Freshyearmarts.shop. Freshyearmarts.shop. This is the website that tries to trick you into participating in some fake survey, claiming that you have a chance of winning Samsung Galaxy S22 or Apple iPad Pro. But it tells that you need to first of all pass some primitive survey. In reality, it's a mistake to do that because the purpose of this fake survey is to collect your personal data. Also, the website Freshyearmarts.shop tries to trick you into subscribing to its numerous notifications by making you click on the Allow button. You should not click on Allow, by the way. If the Allow button was clicked, you should go to the menu of the browser, then Settings, then choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. I also recommend researching the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com using this green download button. Install the program and start researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.